Greetings, WAP Warriors. Brad Anderson here, just reaching out. I know that some of you will be watching this on a remote learning path for the next several days, if not more. Sorry to hear that, and I wish you well. We're going to do our best from my classroom to help you navigate these next several days. And truth be told, tomorrow's 55 question test is obviously, for some of you, off the table. The test is made up of some AP World History test bank questions that are not supposed to leave my classroom. So what we're going to have to do is improvise, adapt, and overcome. And subsequent assessments online will be short answer questions or long essay questions. And so you're going to need to be patient, as we had gone back to a full in-person learning environment, and now some of you are tracking in a remote learning environment. And so for those of you that are at home for the foreseeable future, just stay put. Tomorrow, use it as a day of study and reflection and review, and we will begin our short answer questions most likely on Wednesday. Also, one thing that we were going into after the Unit 0 test was an adapted version of the Age of Empires game. So sadly, some of you will be missing the beginning of that particular project. You will return with about a half of it left to be yet to unfold. No worries, there will be supplementary activities for you, and you will be connected with your team leaders and your fellow community members so that when you do return, you can seamlessly, well, as seamlessly as possible, adjust back into the Age of Empires game. Without giving too much away, the Age of Empires game allows you to draw upon the knowledge and the history that we have been studying the past month, enact your own roles and responsibilities, and apply history in a fun, engaging, and enthusiastic manner. Age of Empires has been one of the favorite things throughout the years in AP World History and regular World History. So please stay tuned to the Google Classroom for more information, and know this, that Mr. Anderson and the rest of your teachers are going to do our very best. We need you to be patient, because this is all uncharted territory and uncharted waters, especially when you're getting into the more hands-on learning aspect of AP World History. Certainly it's something where you want to be in the classroom for, and so we are going to need to adapt and make this a fun and engaging project that you can do from home, and that when you return, you will be able to rejoin us and enjoy in the reenactments and the activities and all that is fun with the Age of Empires. Until we meet again, most likely tomorrow or Wednesday with a new message, I wish you the best and stay safe.